Today we're going to learn how to use WinMip2. First, open the program. I've dragged my screen pretty big because I like to be able to see what I'm working on. Make sure that the 2003 is listed. If you click each one of these, you'll see that it says NR2003 when you mouse over it. Click on it. It's a little tire. That way you're in the right mode. That you won't ever have to set again. So just do it now and you'll always have it. Go to Extras. Go to NR2003 Car File Editor. Here you need to find your car file. I'll go straight to my computer there. Papyrus. NASCAR Racing 2003 Series. Outlaw GNS because I'm making an outlaw. Open the cars folder, and I've put my 4 default cars into a default cars folder. These are the ones that came with the original mod. It's the Camaro, the Downforce, the All-Star, and the Modified. So I'm working on a Downforce. I'm going to double click the Downforce there and it's going to open up. Now here's my blank car inside WinMip. Outlaw Downforce Charger and a blank driver's template. Up here we've got export car texture, export crew texture. That's what if I wanted to take a car apart, like for a render, I could just export the texture out to a file folder and then render it. But if I'm going to import a car texture, which is what we're doing today, I'm going to click import car texture and I'm going to go find it. And I'm going to go to my files, 2003 car stuff. I'm going to go find the completed car file. I don't know where you keep yours, but this is how I keep my stuff. I've got Outlaws and my TGA, and I'm working on the 55 Navy Downforce that I just did. Well, there it is. Okay, and I got to go find the crew for it. Import crew texture. Let's go to Files, 2003 car stuff, completed crews, TGA files, Outlaws, 55 Navy crew. Hey, there it is. Okay. Now I want to make sure 24-bit compressed is selected. And I want to make sure 24-bit compressed is selected for the crew as well. Before I click save, I need to go down here to the very bottom. Slide that wheel all the way down. And the car class, we need to leave that alone. And the car make, we need to leave that alone because we already know the class is GNS. If you wanted CTS, I think it's a Type 3. Anyway, the car make is Downforce, so we're going to leave that alone. The car number here. There's spaces here if you look. There's 1 space, 2 space, and then a single digit. That's for a 3-digit car number, so you need to leave the spaces there, at least I do. Space, space, and that would be a 2. Well, this is a 2-digit car number. It's going to be 55, so I got space and a 55. There's 1 space between there. Space and a 55. First name, I want to say it's Patrick, but I'm going to have to go look. See, I got to go look. Okay, his name is Jordan Pennington. I'm going to right click and paste it there. Jordan's his first name. And I go down to the last name box and I type in Pennington. Or I could have copied and pasted it, but oh well. Get rid of the first name box there. Jordan. Alright. My sponsor is Navy. And team name, I always put my paint scheme, who painted it. So, paint by www.racinggraphics.com. I don't care what you put there, but that's what I put. Now I'm going to click save. And what it does is, it goes back and names it the same original name. But what we need to do is change the name. 55 Navy Downforce is what I'm going to name this one. And saving it. Completed cruise. No, I don't want it to save it there. I want to save it in my car zips. 2003 car stuff. Completed cars. Outlaws. Car zips. 55 Navy Downforce. Save. It's done. Close it out. Close out WinMip. Close my list and thank you, gentlemen. you have any questions, post it in the forums.